or somebody who's buying instructionals, how would you advise them to add them to their game? How can we train but also implement instructionals? How should we best use these amazing tools?
Yeah, so even though I sell online courses, I want to be honest, and I think like in jiu-jitsu, it's very important that you also practice jiu-jitsu. So
Hmm.
you're not gonna learn jiu-jitsu and become a black belt just by watching, like. So I do
That's
think
a shame.
you, yeah, I do think you have to practice as well. So I think the jiu-jitsu videos become a huge complement to your learning. It's almost like someone teach you live how to do something, and then you go home thinking about it, and how can you study that even deeper? And I think that's where the online courses comes in, like. So you briefly learn on your mind, and you want to go much deeper, then you go online and you learn that instructional, you watch that instructional, and you can go much much deeper, because you can pause, you can go back, you can watch again, you can watch again and again and again, and helps you a lot to memory that and go back next day and train. And by the way, there's a lot of customers that they actually bring the iPad to the mat and they watch the technique and they do right away, or either an iPad or iPhone or whatever. So I think it's a great complement to your learning.